Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL latest version on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. I have connected to Ubuntu version. Let's verify whether it is 22.04 or not. More. See, I have connected to Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Let's verify whether MySQL is installed or not by running the command sudo systemctl status MySQL. In it, MySQL service could not be found. So, MySQL is not installed. First on the sudo apt get update. It's done. Clear screen by pressing Ctrl L. Now install MySQL by running the command sudo apt get install MySQL -server. Type Y and hit enter. Whatever the commands I am executing in this video are available in the video description. To install MySQL on Ubuntu or any Linux servers, you should have the internet connection. MySQL has been installed successfully. Let's verify. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, we have successfully installed MySQL and its status is running. Okay, press Q to quit. Also we can verify sudo systemctl is active, then MySQL, then MySQL. See, it is active. Now we have to configure the MySQL server by running the command sudo MySQL _secure installation. For validation, enter Y. Here we have to select the password length. If you want to go for low password length, then give 0. If you want to go for medium, then type 1. Otherwise 2, which means strong password. I am going with strong password. It is also recommended to use this strong password for vulnerability purpose. Then enter. Provide the password. Type Y. If you receive this error, then we have to kill it Now kill this PID. Kill -9, then the process ID. Now go to see the process got killed. Okay. If we receive, then I just killed the process ID by opening another terminal. Then here we have to connect to MySQL by running the command sudo MySQL. Now set the password for root user by running this command. I will keep this command. I will keep all these commands in the video description. Then enter. We have successfully changed the password. Now run the command flush privileges. It is success. Now run the same command, that is sudo MySQL secure installation. Now we have to provide this password, that is password @123. Now it is asking us to, do you want to change the password for root user? I don't want. Just type N. Now it is asking us to remove anonymous users. I think it's not required. Just type N and hit enter. Disallow root login remotely. It's optional. I'm going with yes. Do you want to remove the test database and access to it? I don't want to remove. Then I have typed N and hit enter. Type Y. All done. So we have configured the MySQL server. Now log in with root user. MySQL -u, then username root -p. Then we have to provide the root user password that we have set. No need to give the quotations. Just copy password@123. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Exit. Now we have to enable the MySQL service to start whenever the Linux server has been rebooted. Sudo systemctl enable MySQL. It is done. So in this video we have seen how to install MySQL latest version on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. For more MySQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.